The villager said it was useless. A dented, splintered bucket with cracks down its sides, the kind that leaked a trail of droplets wherever it went. But one quiet dawn, as the sun brushed gold across the fields, an old well-keeper lifted that broken bucket and whispered, "Not everything that leaks is wasted." The young apprentice scoffed. "Why use that old thing? The other bucket brings up more water." The well-keeper just smiled, lowering the rope into the dark, echoing throat of the well. The pulley groaned, the chain rattled, and the bucket disappeared into shadow like a sinking star. When it returned, the apprentice winced. Water streamed from every crack, leaving a shimmering trail on the dusty path. "See," he said, "half gone before it even reaches the trough." But the old man didn't hurry. He walked slowly, step by careful step, the bucket dripping a line of silver behind him. Children watched from doorways. Women paused at their gardens. The apprentice felt embarrassed for him. Why cling to something that clearly fails? By midday, the lesson began. That same path the bucket had dripped along. Flowers bloomed there. Wild mint sprouted in clusters. A dry patch of earth had turned soft and green. Bees hovered where yesterday there was dust. The apprentice stared, stunned. When did this? "Every morning," the well-keeper said. "Every day you mocked that old bucket. It was watering life without you noticing." The next day, the apprentice tried it himself. Grip the rope, lower the bucket, pull, strain, breathe. It felt heavy, not from water, but from purpose he hadn't understood until now. He walked the path slowly, the bucket dripping as always. But this time he looked at the trail with wonder, watching seeds he'd planted last week drink the droplets eagerly. At the trough, he emptied what remained. Then he lifted the bucket, ran a thumb along its cracks, and murmured, "You're useful in more ways than they see." One evening, when the fields were richer and the villagers praised the sudden burst of green, the apprentice smiled quietly at the bucket hanging on its hook, its flaws glinting in the warm light. "Sometimes," he whispered, "what we think wastes actually nourishes." The old well-keeper stood behind him, nodding. Every crack has somewhere its water needs to go. And as night settled, the bucket swung gently in the breeze, its leaks no longer shameful, but proof that broken things can grow blessings along the way. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help our channel grow.